This is my inverter setup. Right now I have two 6-volt golf cart batteries I bought for $100 a piece. I bought this 2000 watt inverter. I paid $100 for it. Usually it goes for $200. With this setup, I could run the chop saw. So far it works pretty good. For charging it, I use this Honda generator. It's a 1000 watt generator, and with this setup I could actually run a saw or even a bandsaw. That works pretty good. I'm going to start it up right now. This is a dewalt charger. It says 30 amp, but sometimes it doesn't reach that high. You press this button and cranks up the amperage. I paid $100 for this thing. So far it works pretty good. Check out the shutter. Here's some gates. Shop light is on. I just opened up the gate. Here's a better view of the inverter. Batteries are down here. This is a 4-gauge wire I got from Brunette Battery. I bought the batteries from Brunette Battery. That's about it.